Hey y'all, I'm Miss Danny and I'm the Children's Program Director at Studio by the Tracks. We are super excited to be kicking off our Summer Art Series today. These projects are designed to be fun for all ages and really easy to recreate at home. We witness the therapeutic power of art in our studio every day, and we hope we can bring a little bit of that home with you. Today, we're going to be making some bug collages out of nature objects that we find outside. Let's go over what we're going to need today. First, we need some scraps from a cardboard box. You'll need one small square for each bug you want to make today. We also need paint and a paint palette, a cup of water, and a paintbrush. You'll also need craft glue and some scissors. Everything else we need to make our bugs we're going to find outside. But first, let's start by painting our cardboard backgrounds. I'm going to keep mine simple and just do a solid background color on each. And while we're painting, let's start to think about what kind of bugs we want to make today. I think I'm going to make a butterfly and a spider. What are you going to make? We can think about what body parts we need, and then we can keep that in mind while we're scavenging for nature objects like twigs, leaves, and tree bark that we can use for our bug body parts. You're probably going to want to do 2 or 3 coats to get nice coverage with your paint. Okay, great. Looks like we're ready to head outside. There's one kind of plant that we want to avoid while we're playing outside because it can give us a really itchy rash on our skin. Poison ivy has 3 leaves that are serrated, which means that they have jagged edges. You'll find it growing on the ground in a nice shady spot or growing on hairy vines that are climbing up trees. Let's see, we're gonna need lots of little legs for my spider. I think I'll get some leaves too because they're going to make great wings. I think this twig would make a great body for my butterfly. Ooh, and this tree bark might make an excellent spider body. Maybe this clover flower could be a head for one of my bugs. Great, looks like our cardboard backgrounds are all dry, and we found some really great nature materials outside. So let's start to think about how we're going to put our bugs together. I know that I'm going to use these skinny twigs for some antenna and some legs, so I'm going to go ahead and use my scissors to cut those. How many legs does my spider need? Right, spiders have 8 legs. My butterfly is going to need some antenna. Great, now we can start arranging our materials onto our backgrounds. You might want to start with the body of your bug and then move on to the other parts like wings and legs. Great, now I have my butterfly body and my spider body. Now I'm going to put my wings and legs on. Now I just need a head for both of my bugs and some antenna for my butterfly. step is just to glue everything together. Wow, these turned out so awesome! Great job today, you guys! Thank you so much for joining us and making art with us today. We'd love to see pictures of how your bugs turned out. If you want to post them on Facebook or Instagram, you can tag us so we can take a look. Stay tuned for more fun art projects, and if you want to check out our studio's work and mission, you can visit us anytime at studiobythetracks.org.